Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Little Curves, and today I'm going to discuss a nutritional topic with you which is really very important for us as female. So let's get started. So today I'm going to discuss, as you know by the topic also, that I'm going to discuss with you some of the foods which are very rich in iron, and it helps to avoid anemia, or else you can say it is good to increase your hemoglobin levels. As females it becomes really very crucial, not only during pregnancy but even during every phase of life, just because we are into that period cycle. So there is blood loss from our bodies, so we have to take this into consideration. So the first thing is have more of poha. Now poha is really very rich in iron, and it's a good source of iron. It really has good amount of iron. Then comes roasted chana, bhuna hua chana. That is also very good. Even all the nuts are good, but bhuna hua chana is really very good, and it also has iron in it. Now green leafy vegetables, when you talk about, they also contain a good amount of iron, and it's good. But the thing is that sometimes they have other things also which does not allow that iron to get absorbed in the body. So you can't just rely on that, or else what you do, those laddus that comes of amaranth, that rajgiri laddus that come, even they are very rich. Now rajgiri, those leaves are also rich in iron, and they are reddish in color. Amaranth, which is reddish in color, but even these laddus are really very rich in iron, and if you are expecting or something that way, you should have them. Really, they're really good source of iron. Now comes the other thing, like non-veg foods. If you see, they are the best source of iron. They have lots and lots of iron in them, and paya soups and such kind of things, they are good and very rich source of iron. But as someone like me being vegetarian, for us it becomes really difficult. So you can do these small, you can find iron in these things, but also you can do what, like when it comes to cooking. Now how you can get iron that way is to use those iron pans or a iron kadai while cooking your food, because it incorporates iron into it. Okay. And second thing what you can do is, whenever you take something like poha, or else whenever you are having bhuna hua chana, so take nimbu pani or eat avla with it, or you can eat a guava with it, because they are rich in vitamin C. So whenever you join vitamin C with iron, they increase the level in the body. That's really very good. Now other things like nuts, they are also rich but not so much. You have also many fortified food, or in the market these days, which are rich in iron, or they have added iron in it. But I would say don't rely on them so much, just because, like if you talk about salt, which is rich in iron, which have come into the market, salt can increase your BP. So I will not recommend you to have more of salt. Like you can't have 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt. So it's better to go for natural things. And then comes even kacha kela. It's really very rich in iron. Then comes other sources, like mooli ke patte. They are very very good source of iron. Then you have bajra, that's also a source of iron, and such kind of food. Now there is a myth also that apple, many I have seen many doctors recommending it. Doctors are not dietitians. Please make it clear into your mind. Dietitian is different, doctors are different. I respect both the professionals. They work together, but they cannot swipe up their roles, okay? And many doctors keep on saying apple खाओ, apple में iron है. No, जो वो brown हो जाता है वो iron की वजह से होता है. Not at all, please. It's just because of some chemical reaction which happens, and इसलिए वो काला पड़ जाता है. It's not because of that iron. Please, I have been stating this sentence so many times in my life. Like I used to go to schools and educate people, educate students, and teachers and parents stating them everywhere around that apple doesn't contain iron. Okay, so it's a myth which everyone follows. Now even if you are having singi phali or you are having those singi phali leaves, they are also very rich in iron. These things are found in Maharashtra and not over here. But now one more thing will come, that people or adolescent like your kids or even you don't like to eat those saag and all. So what you can do is just boil it and add it into your dough. Just knead an atta and make chapati or make paratha out of it, because that will not give you the taste, plus it will add on the iron into your body. So this can, like, I don't like Loki, if that's one thing which I really don't like. So what do I do is, like, I grate it and add it to my chapati. That way I don't get to know the taste, and plus I'm getting the enough amount of nutrients into my body. So this is what we do with kids and people who don't like such some vegetable or food. So we kind of do such experiment where they don't come to know, plus the nutrition is going inside. And even when it comes to iron, it's not only iron. Don't have it with tea, coffee or milk, such kind of things when you're having iron rich food. Now if you see the timings, during snack time this will be the best thing to have. So you can make a poha chuda and you just keep it there with you. You will, one, it will be helpful that you're not having something, what do you say, something chips or those, when you find it to binge something, you will not have chips, you will have something healthy. Plus you can add a nimbu pani with it, or you can add a guava chaat with it, or you can add some avla, or else you can have some capsicum, like salad kind of thing which has capsicum, because it's also rich in vitamin C. So these kind of fruits you can add. You can complement both the food together and have it. And that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video too, and I would love to make such kind of nutritional videos. Do write in the comment section which specific thing you want to see next, and do subscribe to this channel. We are soon going to reach 25, like, we have time, but if you make it possible, it can happen as soon as possible. Okay, and on 19th we are coming live again. Like every month I come live on my YouTube channel. So 19th at 8 p.m. Saturday we are going to come live. So just wave a hi, just talk to us, connect with us. Okay, bye.